Hey guys, Lawton here with Verified Investing, here to talk to you a little bit about Blofin, our preferred crypto exchange. It's the only crypto exchange we've ever partnered with and the only thing we use when we're trading. You can watch us day trade crypto live and everything is through Blofin. And I want to tell you a little bit about the different collaborations we have with Blofin. This past weekend, we just finished up a campaign where we matched up to $500 for new members. So that means if you signed up and put $500 in, we gave you $500 in free futures trades. Of course, it's non-withdrawable, but the profits definitely are. Let's take a look at the computer and let's see what's going on in the crypto markets today. So taking a look here, my favorite thing about Blofin is that it's integrated with TradingView. Everything looks the same as it would on my computer. And you see I have this nice upsloping trend line and I'm looking for a short on Bitcoin. For me, just looking at this chart, maybe I'll look to short it around 2% higher, closer to that 99,000 level. But by the time you see this, I might be totally wrong or totally right. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Blofin for working with us and I hope you guys have a great day.